Now in Kisii County, the university staff union members have continued to down their tools, joining union members protesting over the failure by the government to implement the collective bargaining agreement. The university top officials, led by Dr. Maktosh Ongwonga, while addressing the press in Kisii, vowed not to resume their duties until the government honored a promise to pay them. Ongwonga said that they were disgusted and disappointed in the manner in which the government was handling their CBA casually. The lecturers have vowed to ensure that activities at the university would be completely paralyzed until the time the government would deem it necessary to implement their salary increment. Ratemo said that staff working in the academic, health, finance, transport and catering departments had stopped offering their services and they will move on. They have also vowed to go to the streets daily starting Monday next week.
We have kids. Students and parents, we are also parents. We have the concern to do our duty and also to ensure that the economy is moving ahead. But let the government do its part and we'll be back to class immediately. So parents, bear with us. Let us steer this course. We love the country. We love our students. We want them also to be future leaders. But first, let us also take in the regard the welfare of these workers.
Our reporter Fred Mituri covered that for us earlier on live in Kisii. He now joins us for an update. Fred, does this then mean that there is a complete paralysis at the Kisii University?
Thank you, Akisa. In Kisii University, at least it has, the university has been affected quite a lot because the lecturers here are saying that there is a lot of a backlog of CBA cases that has never been handled. And they are saying that they will not go back to work until the government deems it possible to make them all to understand their challenges and pay them. And as I'm speaking now, I'm joined by an official who is representing the University Secretary General, Dr. Maktosh Ongwonga, who is away, but he can talk to us and tell us how long are they going to paralyze activities at the university, the activities that are going on nationally. Welcome to KTN News.
Thank you, Muturi. My name's Henry Omosa, standing in for the Secretary, Kisii University. It is in the public domain that the CPA 2013-2017 was negotiated for implementation, and it was promised by the government to pay the arrears that stood because CPA is a term document for the last 5 years. The government did pay the arrears for the last 5 years, but then it has negated on the implementation of incrementals of house allowance and basic salary. Therefore, as dons in this country, of course, also supported by Kisii University, we have downed tools, and we are standing that before the government pays this CPA, we are not going to the lecture halls. We sorry for the students and the parents in this country, but then a government which is not sensitive.
All right, we apologize for that technical hitch.